Have you ever found yourself in that slightly awkward 21st century dance where you owe someone $5 for coffee, or they owe you for that epic pizza night, and someone inevitably says, "Just Venmo me"? But then, crickets. You open the app, stare at the screen, and realize you have no idea how to actually find that person. Or maybe you're new to Venmo entirely, and the idea of sending or receiving money from someone you don't even have listed feels like navigating a financial maze blindfolded. You're not alone. It's a common stumbling block in the otherwise super convenient world of peer-to-peer payments. Venmo, at its core, is designed to make splitting bills, paying friends, and generally moving money around among people you know as painless as possible. It's built on the premise of a social financial network. Think of it like a digital wallet that's also a bit of a social media feed for your transactions. And just like any social network, the more connections you have, the more useful and fluid the experience becomes. If you're not connected to your friends, family, or even that casual acquaintance you carpooled with, then Venmo's utility is significantly diminished. You might as well be dealing with cash, or worse, trying to remember who owes whom what for that group vacation from 3 months ago. That's where the power of adding friends comes in. It streamlines everything, making those "just Venmo me" moments genuinely seamless. Imagine this: you're out with a group, and the bill comes. Instead of someone collecting cash, fumbling with change, or trying to calculate everyone's exact share, one person pays, and everyone else immediately Venmos their portion. Or maybe you're a freelancer, and a client wants to pay you easily. Adding them as a friend, or having them add you, makes the process smooth and professional. The more people you're connected to, the more your Venmo experience transforms from an occasional utility into an indispensable tool for managing your personal finances with friends and family. It moves from being a static app to a dynamic network where money flows effortlessly. And that's precisely what we're going to unravel today, the surprisingly simple yet often overlooked process of adding friends on Venmo, ensuring you're always connected when it matters most. We'll dive deep into all the different methods, from the most obvious to the perhaps less intuitive, giving you a complete toolkit to expand your Venmo network. Let's start with the most straightforward method, the one Venmo nudges you towards right from the get-go: syncing your phone contacts. When you first sign up for Venmo, or when you venture into the Add Friends section, you'll likely see a prompt asking if you want to allow Venmo to access your contacts. This is by far the quickest way to find a large number of people you already know who are also on Venmo. Think about it: most of your friends, family, and even many colleagues are probably in your phone's address book. By granting Venmo access, the app scans your contacts, cross-referencing their phone numbers with its user database. Any matches that pop up are then presented to you, giving you the option to add them with a single tap. It's efficient, it's convenient, and it immediately populates your Venmo friends list with people you're highly likely to transact with. Now, a word of caution: while this is incredibly convenient, some people are understandably hesitant about granting apps access to their entire contact list due to privacy concerns. Venmo assures users that this data is used solely for the purpose of finding friends within the app and not for other marketing or data sharing purposes. Ultimately, the choice is yours, but for sheer speed and breadth, contact syncing is unmatched. What if you're not comfortable syncing your entire contact list, or you're looking for someone specific who might not be in your phone? That brings us to our second method: searching by username, name, or phone number directly within the Venmo app. This is your manual override, your precision tool for friend finding. To do this, you'll want to navigate to the search icon, usually located in the bottom menu bar or a dedicated search bar at the top of the screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be presented with a search field. Here, you have a few powerful options. Firstly, and often the most reliable if you know it, is their Venmo username. Every Venmo user has a unique username, typically starting with an @ symbol, e.g., @JaneDoe123. If someone has told you their Venmo handle, simply type it into the search bar, and their profile should appear almost instantly. This method is fantastic because usernames are unique, eliminating any confusion with people who might share the same common name. It's like a direct address for their Venmo account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.